Before diving into developing a trading plan, let me just say one thing. Be your own trader, or don't follow someone else's strategy blindly. Everyone is different. We all have different market views, risk tolerance levels, experience, and much more. So just because someone may be doing well with their strategy doesn't mean it's necessarily going to work for you. This is why I'm so excited for you to develop your own personalized trading plan from everything that you've learned. And you'll be able to adjust this plan as you demo trade and learn more in the market. Developing a trading plan and then sticking to it are two ingredients for success, but you have to stick to it. You have to stay disciplined and not let your emotions steer you away from following your plan. So a trading plan defines what is supposed to be done, why, when, and how. It covers your trader personality, personal expectations, risk management rules, and trading systems. By following your trading plan, you will limit mistakes and losses. A trading plan removes any bad decision making in the heat of the moment when all your emotions are involved in trading. Your emotions can cause you to make irrational decisions and make mistakes, and we definitely don't want that, right? The best way to get your emotions out of your trading is to minimize your thinking by having a plan for every potential market move. By developing your own Forex trading plan, you spell everything out so that you simply have to follow your trading plan no matter the situation that rises. Now, there's a difference between a trading plan, which we're going to cover in this module, and a trading system, which we're going to cover in a later module. These are the differences. A trading system describes how you will enter and exit trades. A trading system is part of your trading plan, but is just one of several important parts. For example, analysis, executions, risk management, and much, much more. The market is always changing, so having two or more trading systems in your trading plan is a good idea. We'll cover more on trading systems later, so don't worry about that for now, but let's get into developing your trading plan.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.